Every Tuesday, Lucas watched the garbage truck pass by his house, marveling at the sound. He was fascinated by the loud noises and how the mechanical arms worked to lift the bins. One day, Lucas decided to leave a drawing for the waste collectors, wanting to show his appreciation. When the truck arrived, the workers smiled widely and happily accepted Lucas' colorful drawing. As a surprise, they gifted Lucas a cap, making him feel special and part of their team. From that day on, Lucas became friends with the garbage truck and its friendly workers. He learned how important their job was and how they help keep the neighborhood clean and safe. The moral of the story is that every job has value. We just need to look at it with kindness.